Just going to video it outside for a few minutes and then I'll probably have to make track. I'm going to video it from up here when they're ringing the bell so I can hear them. They're lovely 6. I like them. They're beautiful. There you are. Yeah, absolutely lovely 6 bells here. You'll be able to watch this on my YouTube channel. Absolutely. You're going to love it. So Derek doesn't ring at Pontefract now. Oh. Oh, that was a short little one, eh? Probably get another one in a minute. I'm just doing it from a different angle. So you can... Oh, sorry. So you can see what it looks like. That's where the sound comes from, up there. It's absolutely lovely in here. I like it. Right. Excuse me. Got a little sensitive tickly cough now. There's a pheasant, I heard then. What a lovely church you've got. Yeah, I'll be writing a lot of history about it when I get home tonight. You can have this on your YouTube channel because no one else will bother doing it, so I don't mind. So I'm going to do it from other angles. And then I'll come back round again. Yeah. You can see it from different sides now. nice peal of 6 bells, aren't there? Yes, they are. They're lovely. I like them. You can have them. The famous, traditional famous bell towers around West Yorkshire. Some good peals of 6 bells. Yes. Going to church there. All right. Just in the bell tower. Be up in a bit. Nice bell tower that.